What's up, guys? Burnwood and family back here at Stone Mountain. We camping again. It's hot when that sun comes out, a little bit cloudy. Makeshift shade shelter right here. Luckily, I found some cordage in the van. We just grab sporadic things. Bryce is in here on his tablet, of course. Right, buddy? Bryce! Okay, don't talk. This is my fishing backpack. So I just threw sporadic stuff in there, the basic stuff. So they're gonna sleep in the van tonight. I'm gonna sleep in the tent. Got a very light sleeping bag, a couple sleep pads. This is what we got going on right now. Bam, son. You okay, buddy? Here.
He's really scared, Daddy. Don't. It's okay. You're not stuck to get up, see? I can't even water here. My foot is like stuck. I can't jump because my foot is really stuck.
We got baked beans, hot dog. This is no ordinary hot dog right here, though. This is a hot dog grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese dog.
Put a little scoop of baked beans on there. Yeah. A little squirt of ketchup.
Yeah, but this is on it. Boy.
Boy.
Put the beans on it.
Beans and ketchup.
Okay, my thing. Oh yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, boy. Bush's original baked beans with chili powder and black pepper. Oh yeah. And of course Texas Pete for me. Nobody else is eating beans.
Texas Pete.
It's probably a good thing I'm sleeping in a tent by myself.
Mm-hmm. What?
Are we chilling, sissy?
Yeah.
Drinking your little yogurt drink? You rubbing ice all over your face? You feel dirty or something?
No, I just need more ice on my face and I can because it's really hot out.
It's not hot anymore.
Well, he hasn't stopped moving in like 2 hours.
Yeah, I do hop on that.
Riding that bike, huh?
Huh?
Riding that bike did it?
Mm-hmm.
Put it on the back of your neck, it helps.
Well, we had dinner, we've cleaned up, got everything organized. Just having some sippies. We're at, this is day 2. We moved campsites because the one we were at was booked. Now we're here at this little rock slide again. Mama went down it last time, and I think it's Dada's turn this time. Here we go. Oh my God, it's cold, bro. Oh my God, it's cold. Oh God, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. That was pretty fun.
I know, I'm jealous.
Go do it.
I gotta go walk.
If I hit my back, I'm done.
Mama got back problems. She's about to have back surgery. She can't do it.
Over here. Oh no.
Back at the campsite. That was a refreshing dip in the pool. So this is the other campsite we had to move. This one's more private and there's plenty of shade. Ain't that right?
I think you hold your finger down.
Tonight I'm gonna be sleeping in the hammock. I have the tarp up. I don't have my hammock up yet, because in case of storms, I don't want my hammock up just yet. But last night, that tent that I was going to sleep in, it got completely soaked inside. My sleep pad, my sleeping bag. This morning we had to dry everything out. And that tent, it was in such a wreck. It got blown around, even with a cooler in it and chairs, that we just chucked it.
It's just an ant, honey. Blow on him.
Yeah, we're really liking this campsite. A lot cooler. I would hate to be out in that sun right now, wouldn't you?
Yes.
God, it would be rough. Just wide open, no shade. It's Bryce and Lizzie's on their tablets of course. They're tablets. Bryce, say tablet.
Them.
And we're cooking hot dogs.
What?
Then later we got some spicy
What are you talking about?
noodles. What you talking about? What you talking about? So you say it. Say what you talking about, boy. Look at that pine nut, boy. Pine nut.
A button?
I love you. A green button. Mama, I love you more than a ball pit.
Oh, that's a good one.
Sissy.
I love you more than...
I'm not talking.
What? You just steady in that bucket.
Shh, it's the end.
The end. Looks like you got about
Yeah, but no, this is the good part.
50 more pages. Well guys, having some coffee before we pack up and get out of here. Waiting on the little boy to wake up. We're pretty much ready to go. Just got to throw everything in the van. We enjoyed this one. 2 days out here at Stone Mountain. We love this place. And I'm digging number 19 campsite. I like it a lot. Slept great. I slept great in the hammock. The grounds crew's out here mowing, but waking everybody up. But slept great in the hammock last night. Was not cold. Better sleep than I got last night in the van, cramped with all them on that mattress. I'll tell you that. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.